pick up this black Onyx 2001 Lexus RX 300, available today. Featuring automatic transmission, it has 85,778 miles. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact us and get behind the wheel today.